Hey everyone, my name is Etta Marvin. I'm currently living in Canton, Georgia, and I wanted to tell you why I decided to come to this Drone Command Live training. I saw an opportunity. I know that was day two. I said the same thing. I saw an opportunity, but I wanted to do something that I could maybe build a legacy for my family, and I thought that this could be that legacy. So that's why I'm here. You have to decide why you're here. Do you want to build a legacy? Do you want extra income? Do you want to do you want to change your job? Do you want to change your life? Whatever that is, there are many reasons to be here. Find yours. Okay. So my biggest takeaway from the event and how it's going to create positive results is that I've learned that anybody can do this. All right. I said the same thing on day two. Anybody can do this, and it's a fact. Anybody can do this. What was great about attending virtually and being online was it gave me the ability to be in a setting that I'm comfortable with. It saved me money because I didn't have to pay for hotels, I didn't have to travel, and it gave me the ability to really kind of more. I think I got more one-on-one time. I asked more questions. I commented more. I think I got to participate more by being online than I would have if I was there with 100 people in person. So I really have digging the online event. Okay. If you're on the fence about attending a Drone Command Live, I don't know what to say to you. Why? Do you want to change your life? Do you want more money? Do you want to leave a legacy? Do you want to change your career? Do you want to just do something that is fun, that can be profitable? Get off the dadgum fence. You don't belong on the fence. You're not a bird. Get off the fence. Come to Drone Command Live. All right? Now, if I had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who's never met them, because I had never met them before, I would say awesome, incredible, fantastic, motivating, exciting, energetic. I could just continue on with those kinds of adjectives, and I could give you verbs for them. I could do all of those things, but they're going to get you where you need to be, and more importantly, they're going to get you where you want to be. I cannot describe the drone boss, and I cannot describe Diego, except that they know their stuff. And if you listen, and if you follow every single step, and if you stick to the plan, and if you pay attention on day one, and if you kill it on day two, and if you kill it on day three, even though you will be in information overload, but if you take notes and you get excited, their excitement alone will make you excited, and their excitement will carry you through this. And they will, both of them, either one of them, but both together, really, they're going to change your life. Are you going to Drone Command Live? Whether it's in person or it's virtually, are you going to attend Drone Command Live? That's the next question. Are you going to do something for yourself and for your family that nobody in your family or in your life has ever done? If you are that person, then come to Drone Command Live.